To realize better mileage, tire wear, and handling. Run your car at a tire pressure of maximum. Hi. I am Jesse, your facts and tips person with Automotix. So today's question is, how do I set tire pressure for my car tires? You should always set the tire pressure by the tire manufacturer's pressure specs found on the side of the tire. Check your tire pressure once a month against the number on the inside of your driver's side door. To realize better mileage, tire wear, and handling, run the pressure at maximum. Also, check your tire pressures in the morning, when the tires are cold. Remember, proper tire pressure can save you money at the pump and extend the life of your tires. Don't forget your spare. Till then, keep watching FAQ videos at Automotix.
Automotix.FAQs. Get answers to your queries by posting it on our G+ page.